Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one secret technique that I've used to craft my award-winning speech. In May this year, I managed to clinch the first runner-up in Toastmasters District AD International Speech Contest. This is the link to my contest speech. Any feedback is appreciated. When I was crafting my speech, I clearly knew that I need to tell my personal story. All the world champions won by telling their stories. For example, Dananjaya told us life transformation story. Darren Tay shared his encounter with bullying. And Prisian told us how a tire changed his life. Story, story, story. Every Toastmaster knows its importance. Fact tells, story sells. We have many stories to share, but there are 3 common mistakes we commit when crafting our speech. Mistake number 1, listing events. Narrating the sequence of events is not telling stories effectively. Take my speech as an example. I left my hotel to Yangmingshan National Park. I wore flip-flop to hike the mountain. I felt hungry and decided to give up. Then I met a couple who encouraged me to continue. At the end, I managed to reach the peak. As you can tell, I'm just listing down what happened. Bad build-up, no emotion, soulless. Mistake number 2, too much details. Understand that we need details like character, context, conflict, or what, why, when, who, how. But many times we are reluctant to remove the unnecessary details. And that causes the story to be too long. We can easily lose the audience attention. Mistake number 3, touch and go. When we have many unimportant details and events, we tend to skim through our story within the limited time. As a result, the story fails to connect and captivate. So to avoid these 3 common mistakes, I would like to introduce you my secret technique, the M&M Technique. Story is great, but it could be very general and we tend to commit the 3 common mistakes. So I would like to bring your focus on moments. That's the first M. Moment is a part of story. Yes. However, it's the part that stands out the most in the story. It's referring to a particular time or occasion happening within a short period of time. Instead of telling a lengthy story, share with the audience the most important moment or moments. Taking example of my speech, I visited Taiwan for 10 weeks. I could tell a long story about it. But my hike at Yangmingshan National Park was the most memorable and worth sharing moment. Let's drill down further. There were details before I started my hike and when going down from the peak. I chose to focus on the moments happening along my journey to the peak so that I have sufficient time to elaborate on my emotions, build up my speech, and inject humor within the 7 minutes. World champions are definitely experts in describing their critical or crucial moments. I am deeply impressed by Prisian's speech. How can an event like changing a tire help him win the world championship? That's because he puts utmost focus on developing the moment he spent with the tire. There are 3 main benefits of sharing your moment or moments. Benefit number 1, get your priority straight. After you clearly identify the most important moment, spend more time to describe and expand that moment. This helps you to remove the unnecessary details in your speech. Benefit number 2, focus on the right things. Emotion is undeniably critical in storytelling. It helps the audience to resonate and feel engaged with you. Focusing on the moment enables you to pay attention on describing your emotions and feelings. It also allows you to tell what happened in detail rather than touch on the surface of the events and skim through. Tell us what happened according to your 5 senses: hear, see, smell, taste, and touch. Describe that moment vividly so that the audience can connect with you. So pack your moments with emotions and tell us what happened to you. Now you know that a moment or moments can be developed into a powerful speech. Build up your moment bank with worth sharing moments. For example, special encounter with someone, or an interesting incident, a turning point in your life, and others. You do not need a long story to craft an amazing speech. You just need interesting moment or moments. You can share one long moment or a few shorter moments in your 7-minute speech, whichever more effective to bring out your message. Please always remember, every story must have its message. Be it informative, motivating, or inspiring. That's the second M, message. Every moment you share must carry a message you want to share with the audience. What's the takeaway or call to action? Your message must be crystal clear. Take Dhananjay's speech, I see something. All the moments he shared in his speech carry or contribute to his message, which is everyone has the potential to be great. Always keep your key message in mind when you craft your speech. Any moment or part doesn't relate to your message, out. If you're sharing several moments in your speech, they must serve the purposes of building up your speech and ultimately leading the audience to your key message. Every time I craft a speech, I will think of the M and M. What are the moments worth sharing? And if they carry important or excellent message. So here are the 4 simple steps to apply the M&M technique for your reference. Step 1. Choose a moment. Step 2. Tell us what happened according to 5 senses. Step 3. Describe your emotions and inner feelings. Step 4. Bring your message alive. Hope this technique can spark new ideas for your next speech and assist you in crafting it. Hopefully the M&M technique can bring your speech and you as a public speaker to the next level. Try it out and share with me in the comment below if you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more public speaking tips and sharings. Let's work together to be awesome public speaker. See you in the next video.